Dat is zo'n klein tegenwoordig.
Wait, we're like right next to each other. Yeah.
No, I know a girl who goes to
Really?
Yeah. She's like a...
225, 226, and 231. Ready about 225, 226, and 231. 225, 226, 231. Ready about.
Yo, Pete, I couldn't hear that cat. Pete, fuck you, Pete, close to striking out. Pete, adding 170, by the way. The good thing on this, and he also got paid 170 million. Ladies for sure, but it's okay.
I think you're all the same thing. I know the guy. That was a hard cider. You guys know the song Cheeseburger in Paradise? It's amazing. Great song.
Tastes a little salty.
No one knows that song.
Got a lot of that up in my nose.
It's a dunk,